Look who's here. Infinikey Miko. Hi everyone, Michael from Infinikey here, and I know you've been waiting for this drop, our first in the collaborative Genshin Impact inspired sets. This is of course Miko. It's been in development for the better part of a year now, and we're finally getting it in stock on .x this Friday as it goes live. All the information is below. The set is designed by Rose, dye sublimated onto PBT for a limited in-stock drop of PBT keycaps. You can put them on, of course, MX style mechanical keyboards and should cover most of the keyboard kits you have on your desk. Everything about the Infinikey Miko key set is of course inspired by Miko, one of the beloved characters of Genshin Impact, one of the most popular and well-played games today. Everything on it, the colorways, the coverage, the sub-legends, is all inspired from that character. And you'll get to bring a bit of Miko to your desk with this keycap set. This is the first in our series of Genshin inspired sets created under miHoYo's public fan merch guidelines, and our idea is to start translating all the excitement of the game to the community and bring it into real life for them to enjoy. But you're not here to see me, you're here to see Miko, so let's get into the unboxing footage. We want to extend a big thank you to the community over at Genshin Impact for bringing the excitement to this product, for Rose, of course, for designing our first in this series of Genshin inspired sets, for Tristan and Captain Sterling for documenting this product, and all the influencers that got their hands on this and have shared this with their communities. We're very excited about this first drop. It's the first of many, with many other games to come, and we hope you enjoy this all.